Welcome to What's Inside Balls. We apologize that it's been so long since our last video.
But today we are going to be cutting open thread by thread the world famous baseball. Suckers! Okay. Alright, we're just gonna first
Out. Oh yeah.
yeah. Alright.
To the flip cam. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. First. Alright, go. Alright. Safety first, children.
Yes, children.
Yes, children. But we're not.
Okay. Come on, Brian.
Okay.
Better knife. Yeah, almost. No, you see, Brian says safety first. I completely disagree.
Safety fifth, kids.
Yes. No, 7th.
Alright.
Safety goes 7th, okay? God, Brian.
Alright. Yeah, I'm awesome possum. Alright. Time for the real action. So I think I see what you're doing. You're just doing it. See the inside of it? Yes. It's like hair inside of it. Yeah, there goes Hits and Balls video.
Oh, right. I don't have my name stuck on. Get in there.
Alright. We're about halfway there, almost. Halfway there. Joe's pubertized, I haven't.
Poor Brian. But I'm so cool now, because I have a deep voice.
Yeah.
Boy!
Oh, dude, but I don't have armpit hair yet.
I have awesome armpit hair.
Look. Indeed you do.
You pervert!
Alright, until next time, subscribe, and we will tell you when our next video will be. Yeah.
Sadly, we told them that it would be in a week, but it's more like 3 months.
Why the heck do I feel like What's Inside? We should just keep making more. What?
Well, we're running out of balls. So
we're not. We've only made 3.
I've only got 2. Oh, I farted.
As you can see. Oh, dude, it's almost a full year ago that we made those.
But all of you hate my blonde hair. It sucks, right?
I know. If you got blonde hair, it's... yeah. As you can see,
I can
almost... we're pulling it off right now. See if you can pull it.
I don't know how to cut this. Alright, guys, Brian has volunteered.
Wait, not yet.
I almost have the covering off of it.
Pulling the covering off, and we have a ball covered with strings.
Okay, so first layer, just leather. Second layer has a lot of strings.
So give it to me to pull the string off. No, let's And we're gonna pull the string off, like, pull the string off. Yeah, I mean. Pulling the string off, pulling the string off, pulling the string off, pulling the string off. Alright, so right now I'm just pulling the string off. Obviously. I don't want to stop the video and start it back up because
Come on, Brian, you got it. You got this! Get this boy! Soldier boy up in that, oh, tree, whatever. I forget. Monkey boy up in that tree, eat banana while I pee. How's it go?
eat banana while he pee all over that soldier boy. Not really, you can't really see it. Alright, right now, I'm just digging the knife in between the things, twisting and pulling up. And it makes the string come off.
In case you all think that we're such losers, that we think we're cool, we completely know that we're losers.
Yeah.
You don't need to tell us that.
Yeah, don't be one of those stupid YouTube geeks.
Don't be one of those people that like argue and like say, "Oh, you just wasted 5 minutes of life. Thanks." Yeah, those people are like, so yeah, be quiet.
I'm basically doing the same thing that you did with the leather. Glue.
Silly glue.
There we go. All right, move. Here, get over here.
What's all?
So, I'm getting all the last part of the thing done. And we've got a big round piece of cork that's sticky.
It might be cork, and in case you guys actually know what it is, we'd appreciate it if you commented on the video and told us in case we have any incorrect assumptions of what everything is made of.
I believe this is leather, and then this crap is... What would this be? Why did you put the baseball inside out?
Well, that's how I took it off.
Oh. Well, the cork.
And just in case, I'm gonna see if anything is under here.
According to the last video...
Now, Brian has to smell it.
Oh,
You can already smell it. Haha.
According to the last video, it's Joe's
Stick my
turn
face into it.
to smell every single part of
Okay.
this. What does this smell like?
It smells like a dog.
A dog?
Okay, that was terrible. Okay. That just smells like a baseball.
Okay, so I guess we'll see you next time. Oh, and I promise that we will have a video up next week, and we won't wait nearly as long.
Not nearly.
So see you next time on What's Inside Balls! That was weird. Bye! So I guess we'll see you next time. Oh, and I promise that we will have a video up next week, and we won't wait nearly as long.
Not nearly.
So see you next time on What's Inside Balls! That was weird. Bye!